section of our video, we will be going through the concept and derivation of magnetic field through a current in a toroid. Let us study what toroid is. As we had already gone through the structure of solenoid, the toroid is a bit similar to that of solenoid. If you hold the ends of the solenoid and give it a circular form, that is, if you bend it in the form of ring, you will get a new structure called as toroid. As you observe in the given diagram, this structure which is held in the form of ring is a toroid. As the definition says, a toroid is an endless solenoid held in the form of ring. So if you are creating a toroid in the form of ring, definitely the magnetic field which is created inside is formed in the form of circle. As you observe a point O, considering a point O and a point P which is at a distance of r from this center. If I rotate this point P inside this toroid, keeping the distance same, I will observe that the magnitude of magnetic field at any point inside the toroid remains uniform, comparing it with that of solenoid, which was varying, while that of toroid it is similar. Going for the expression by the Ampere's law, we know that the B dot dl is equals to mu naught times the total current. Considering a small element dl over here, moving on towards the expression, you have B line integral of dl is equals to mu naught times total current that is 2 pi r, that is the length of the solenoid, into n for the total number of turns multiplied by I. B integral of dl, that is, if you spread this element over this circle formed, the integral of dl will be equals to 2 pi r, which is equals to mu naught times 2 pi r into n into I. 2 pi r and 2 pi r gets cancelled. B equals to mu naught Ni, where n is as usual number of turns per unit length. The significance of this number of turns per unit length has already been explained by me. Going through the final expression, which comes out to be mu naught Ni. As I have just explained that the magnitude of magnetic field at any point inside the toroid remains uniform, hence the field inside the toroid also remains uniform. Comparing with that of a solenoid, we had observed the field which was created at the center and the field which was created at the end. Both were different. At center, the strength of magnetic field was maximum. Moving towards the end, the strength of magnetic field has reduced to half. But talking of the solenoid, the strength of magnetic field, as it is very clear from the expression that the strength of magnetic field at any point inside the toroid remains uniform. So this was the basic concept of field due to a toroid. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.